Good morning, students. Today we'll be starting the first lesson of your science subject. Name of the lesson is My Body Parts and Sense Organs. What is the name of the lesson? Repeat after me. My body parts and sense organs. Okay. I'll be reading the chapter. Please follow. If you have the textbook, please open your textbooks. Yes. Let us start. Time to warm up. Do you know the names of all the parts of your body? Rani does not know the names of all the parts of her body. She asks her science teacher. Let's see what her teacher says. Time to know. Well, before I tell you the names of our body parts, I shall recite a poem for you. Here it is. See, all of you know all the names of the body parts, no? All the body part names you know, no? You have learnt already in your UKG, correct, no? Preeti ma'am has taught you the body parts, no? Name of the body parts. Yes. But one girl, her name is Rani. She does not know the names of all the body parts. So she will ask her science teacher to tell the names of the body parts. So, what will her science teacher say? Let us see. Our science teacher is telling, before telling the names of the body parts, I will recite a poem. She is telling. Okay. Now see, I'll be reading this poem. After each line you should repeat. Okay. ನಾನು ಈ ಪೊಯಮ್ನ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಲೈನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ. Part of the body. Parts of the body. Repeat. Parts of the body. One hand with big forehead. Repeat. One hand with big forehead. And lot of hairs on the head. Repeat. And lot of hairs on the head. Two eyes to see and two eyebrows on eyes. Repeat. Two eyes to see and two eyebrows on eyes. 2 ears to hear. Repeat. 2 ears to hear. 2 rosy lips and 2 chubby cheeks. Repeat. 2 rosy lips and 2 chubby cheeks. 1 little mouth and 1 tongue to taste. Repeat. 1 little mouth and 1 tongue to taste. Lots of teeth in the mouth. Repeat. Lots of teeth in the mouth. 1 nose to smell, 1 little chin. Repeat. 1 nose to smell, 1 little chin. 1 neck to turn head up and down. Repeat. 1 neck to turn head up and down. 1 big back, 1 big chest. Repeat. 1 big back, 1 big chest. 2 long arms, 2 strong legs. Repeat. 2 long arms, 2 strong legs. 2 little hands. Repeat. 2 little hands. 2 wrists and 2 elbows. Repeat. 2 wrists and 2 elbows. 2 little feet and 2 heels. Repeat. 2 little feet and 2 heels. 2 ankles and 2 round knees. Repeat. 2 ankles and 2 round knees. 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. Repeat. 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. These are the parts of our body. Repeat. These are the parts of our body. Okay. Once more continuously I will read. Read along with me. Parts of the body. One hand with big forehead and lot of hairs on the head. 2 eyes to see and 2 eyebrows on eyes. 2 ears to hear. 2 rosy lips and 2 chubby cheeks. 1 little mouth and 1 tongue to taste. Lot of teeth in the mouth. 1 nose to smell and 1 little chin. 1 neck to turn head up and down. 1 big back and 1 big chest. 2 long arms and 2 strong legs. 2 little hands. 2 wrists and 2 elbows. 2 little feet and 2 heels. 2 ankles and 2 round knees. 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. These are the parts of our body. Okay, we have finished reading the poem. Let us see the different body part. What is this? This is the hands. Next is, what is this? This is the head. The black color thing are hairs. Okay. This is what? Arms. This picture, the third picture is arms. Next comes the chest. Above the chest is the neck. Okay, what is this? These are the lips. Then comes the neck. This is the neck. Okay. What are these? These are the eyes. After eyes comes ears. This is the third one is the mouth. Then comes nose. After nose, legs. After legs, heels. After heel comes the feet. Okay. Now please turn the page and see this picture given in page number 2. Here is the body of a child. They have marked all the body parts. Each and every arrow is showing a body part. Okay. First is the head. What is the spelling of the head? H-E-A-D, head. Repeat. H-E-A-D, head. See the arrow where it is going? Yeah, that is the head. Now touch your head once. On your head what is there? Hairs are there, correct? No. What is the spelling of hair? H-A-I-R, hair. Repeat. H-A-I-R, hair. There are how many eyes in our body? There are 2 eyes, no? Where is the eye? See the arrow from the eye? Yes, that is the eyes. Okay, what is the spelling of the eyes? E-Y-E-S, eyes. Okay, repeat. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Repeat once more. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Above the eyes, what is there? Above the eyes is the eyebrows. What is the spelling of eyebrow? E-Y-E-B-R-O-W, eyebrow. Repeat. E-Y-E-B-R-O-W, eyebrow. Once more you repeat. EYEBROW, eyebrow. Once more you repeat. EYEBROW, eyebrow. Okay. Next part is ears. See, from ears the line is going, no? That line is showing the ears. Okay, from the word ear, that the line is going, no? That is showing the ears. Now touch your ears once. Yes, those are the ears. What is the spelling of the ear? E-A-R-S, ears. What is the spelling of the ears? E-A-R-S, ears. Repeat. E-A-R-S, ears. Next is what? Nose. Touch your nose. Yes, that is the nose. Okay, what is the spelling of nose? N-O-S-E, nose. Repeat the spelling of nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Repeat once more. N-O-S-E, nose. Next is mouth. You can see the mouth, no, in this diagram. Yes, that is the mouth. What is the spelling of the mouth? M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Repeat. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. After the head comes what? Neck. What is the spelling of neck? N-E-C-K, neck. Repeat. Repeat the spelling. N-E-C-K, neck. Repeat once more. N-E-C-K, neck. Below the neck are two shoulders. What is the spelling of shoulders? S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. Repeat. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. After the shoulder there are two hands. The spelling of the hands is H-A-N-D-S, hands. Spelling of hand is H-A-N-D. If there are two hands, if you are mentioning about two hands, you should spell it as H-A-N-D-S, hands. If you are referring to only one hand, then you should spell it as H-A-N-D, hand. Okay. So let us repeat the spelling of hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Repeat. H-A-N-D, hand. Okay. Next is chest. You can see the chest, no? The marking is there in your textbook, see? That is the chest. The arrow mark is there, no? From the word chest. That is the chest. Okay. What is the spelling of chest? C-H-E-S-T, chest. Repeat. C-H-E-S-T, chest. Repeat. C-H-E-S-T, chest. Next is elbow. See, again the line is showing the elbow. From the body part to the word elbow, a line is going, no? That body part is called as the elbow. What is the spelling of the elbow? E-L-B-O-W, elbow. Repeat the spelling. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. Repeat the spelling. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. Next is what? Stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Repeat. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Repeat. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Then comes what? Then comes the knee. See, you can see the knee, no? Arrow mark is showing the knee. What is the spelling of knee? N-E-E, knee. What is the spelling of knee? N-E-E, knee. Repeat. N-E-E, knee. Repeat. N-E-E, knee. Okay. Next is what? Legs. What is the spelling of leg? L-E-G, leg. Repeat, L-E-G, leg. Okay. After legs come heels. Spelling of heel is H-E-E-L, heel. Okay. Repeat the spelling, H-E-E-L, heel. Okay. Last one is feet. F-O-O-T, feet. Repeat, F-O-O-T, feet. Repeat, F-O-O-T, feet. Okay, this is the different parts of our body. Okay, students, thank you. This is all for today. Let us continue in the next class.